And actually, that was one of the best experiences that I had because basically I got the opportunity to get exposed to just about every single service line that they had. The office was quite small, which meant that they basically use a lot of their junior staff who were just coming in to plug gaps, work on different projects and everything. And that was probably the best sort of training that I could have got rather than specializing early on. And that gave me this great opportunity to see what I liked, what I didn't like. So I certainly found out that I really didn't like doing tax work, but I then found this one area called internal audit, and that's where I fell in love with the career journey that I've been on for all those 20 years since. Um, One of the things that I did do, I took the opportunity to come over to London. It was only meant to be like a 6 month secondment, where I was going to come over, get some experience working in London, and then go back to Northern Ireland. But as my mother keeps joking with me, she said, "You're still on that longest 6 month secondment ever, 20 years later." I just never went back. And the reason behind that was it was the exposure to the different clients that I was meeting in London. Whilst the clients in Belfast were brilliant as well, I was getting exposed to international clients, getting opportunities to travel around the world,